The open to work banner, hashtag, circle, whatever you call it, is not going to get you a job. It's not going to get you a job. Specifically if your LinkedIn profile is not built properly. Let me repeat that. The open to work, features of LinkedIn where you put that banner around your profile picture is not going to get you a job if your LinkedIn profile does not tell your target audience, that ideal recruiter or hiring manager, who you are and what you're all about. I see these all over LinkedIn, and more often than not, when I see these, I don't see any other value. I don't see profiles that stand out. I don't see profiles that resonate. I see lackluster profiles put on LinkedIn, slapped with the open to work hashtag, and people sitting back hoping and praying that will get them a job, and it won't. Look, if you want to use LinkedIn as a part of your career search tool, your job search tool, make sure you build out a profile that resonates, that boldly tells the viewer who you are, what you do, what you can do, and most importantly, what you want to do. Every time I look at these, I look at the open to work, show the details, and it's desperation. Riva will be a nurse, a data processing specialist, a receptionist, or a lawyer. Now, that's a little exaggerant, but I'm making a point. She wants to work in locations like Greensboro or Las Vegas. She wants to work remotely from Rockville, Maryland, or Guadalajara. Immediately open for a job. She'll take any kind of job that's available, any kind of shift that's available, and any schedule that is available. That is desperation. And there's not a hiring manager out there who wants to interview someone who portrays that they are desperate. Don't misunderstand me. I understand desperation. Been there, done that. But you don't show that on your profile. And you show who you are and what you want to do. You use an about section that Riva does not have. You use the experience section to talk about what you did in these roles in a previous life that is relevant to the world that you want to be a part of. You have skills that are populated that show you have the ability to do the skills, or understand at least the skills relevant to the work you want to do. You need to have interest. You're following companies and people who are relevant to the work you want to do. You must use your LinkedIn profile to tell the viewer, that hiring manager, that recruiter, or whomever it is you're trying to get the attention of. Your LinkedIn profile must tell them who you are, what you have done, what you can do, relevant to what you want to do, and you need to make sure you're telling us what you want to do throughout your profile. Otherwise, this is simply desperation, and it will cause you more angst, and it'll cause you to be more upset, and it'll cause you to be depressed because it's not working. So please, if you're going to use LinkedIn to help you get connected to that person who may hire you, do more than simply put the open to work thingy on your profile picture. By the way, reach out to people whom can help you. Reach out to people in career services groups. Reach out to people at Goodwill Industries who have people in place in lots of places across the U.S. They have people in place who can help you. Reach out to some of my peers who are focused on career support and get someone to help you. Make sure that your LinkedIn profile does not resonate desperation, but rather value. And you have it. You just got to get someone, if you can't do this on your own, you just got to get someone to help you make your profile show it.